Hello, dear brother and sister. I'm very happy today to meet you and to give you this secret is very important for your life. The secret. If you want to protect yourself against with weapon, knife, pistol, bullet, iron, you should to write what you see in your text. Inshallah, I'm going to explain you this. You can write what you see. Min join, you see, I'm writing min join. وأمنهم من خوف أطعامهم الذي بيت رب هذا فليعبدوا وسيف شتاي رحلة إلا في قريش إلا في. You should to write this for 7 times. What I talk, you are going to write this for 7 times. For example, min khawfi until ilafi. You should to write this for 7 times. And you see the gym, you should to write this for 9 times. For 9 times. Gym for 9 times. And ya neya lahu for 8 times. Fa for 10 times. Labba for 2 times. Mahu Allahumma wa kalafna, and falyabudu for 2 times. Wa bait al-bait for 3 times. Allazi for 3 times. Min juhin for 3 times. Min khawf for 3 times. Wa amanuhum for 3 times. At'amuhum 3 times. Rib haza 3 times. And you should to write all for 105 times. 105 times. All 105 times. And you are going to have the sheet, the talisman. You are going to have the sheet, and you are going to make it in yourself. Inshallah, you will have a very level protection. Inshallah, the secret is very important. Please practice the secret and share it your family, your friend, and everybody. Inshallah, I am going to leave you, and I will meet you tomorrow. Inshallah, take care, good luck, and good continuation. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Bukra inshallah ta'ala.